Hey chicas, welcome to Creative Chick Corner. So my name is Mari and thank you for clicking on this video. So as you guys know, I do make sublimation things, like personalized things such as shirts, jewelry like earrings, keychains, different types of things using sublimation. So in this video, I want to make sublimation earrings because I did sell out of my earrings. So I'm excited about that, but now we have to make more so we can stack them up. So I wanted to record with you guys and show you guys how I make them. It's very simple as long as you have a sublimation printer or a printer that you converted to sublimation and a laptop or a tablet and then sublimation blanks, you'll be able to do these types of things. So if you guys are interested in this content, please like the video, comment down below, and share with a friend. So let's get started with sublimating on some earrings. So just a quick message before the intro, I wanted to also share that if you don't know what sublimation is or you don't know where to start from, there will be a link down in my description box. Just click on that link and then my mom can explain what sublimation is and what you need to start doing sublimation. So before we get started to doing the earrings, I want to show you guys what you need, especially for making sublimation teardrop earrings. So you will need, most importantly, sublimation paper. This one is from Amazon, but there's a lot of different brands you can get. And you need, obviously, sublimation blank teardrop earrings. And you also need a printer. So I did convert this Epson ET2760 into a sublimation printer. You can get a sublimation printer, but it will be more expensive, so that's why I went with this cheaper route. So this is my template full of different kinds of images that I want to put onto my earrings. You can get these either in Facebook groups, Etsy, Google, and different websites. You can also just put PNG and then whatever design you're looking for. So I have these ready, so let's get going. Alright ladies, so now on my computer, I am on the Cricut Design Space app. These are the designs that I have chosen and they are the right size for my teardrop earrings. They will vary depending on the earring. And we are ready for printing. We will take off the add bleed option and then use the system dialog, which means it is our computer settings for the printer. So this is my Epson ET2760 printer. I have converted it into sublimation. So depending on your printer settings, the design may take longer to print. It just wants to be the best quality and best color it can possibly be. So for the next steps, you will need a paper cutter, a pair of scissors, heat tape, and we are ready to slice our paper. Once they are all sliced, we will grab our teardrop earring blanks. I got these from Temu and then I have ordered them from Amazon as well. Temu has the best prices. We will take off the clear film on one side, attach the design with the heat tape. So we will first do the first side and then we will press. You will need 2 sheets of printer paper, a parchment paper, and a Teflon sheet. So we will press this at 385 for 60 seconds. So I put first the Teflon sheet. You don't really need the parchment paper if you have the Teflon. but I always go with both just in case. Then I put on the printer paper and then all of my designs with the design facing up towards the heat. Then I will put another sheet of the printer paper and then another Teflon sheet. I just don't want any staining and I just don't want to risk it. So as you can see, it does bleed through, so that is why I use 2 copy papers and Teflon sheets. So for the first side reveal, these look stunning. I am excited about these earrings and can't wait to see the other sides and them just completed. So for the other side, we will literally do the same thing. So we will take off the clear film, we will attach the earring to the paper design with our heat tape, and then we will press them. So we are done with the other side as well. And for the last step, we will be assembling these. You will need fish hooks, jump rings, plastic backs, and jewelry pliers. We put the earring together and this is the result. Alrighty, so I am finally done with these earrings. I really do love how they turned out. So I have these really pretty like flowery teardrop dangle earrings. I really do love this design. I then have this giraffe print earrings. I really do love how it turned out, especially the color. And you can actually tell that it has like the design of the hair from the giraffe, so it looks very pretty. Cheetah print gold. I really do love this one. I think this one is one of my favorite designs that I've made, and it just looks so pretty, especially with me pairing the jump ring and the hoops in gold, so it makes it look really pretty and really like perfect. Here is my cow print earrings. I really do like these. They're simple but they look very pretty, and as well as the giraffe ones, you can see like the texture of the hair of the cow, so I really do love that. These turned out beautifully. I really do love these. I saw this turtle design and I think it was in a Facebook group, and I did love them, so I had to make them, and they turned out literally just like I saw on the picture. Like the colors are perfect, everything about it is just perfect. So these turtle earrings are so cute. I think I would call them maybe like mermaid fishtails. They are so beautiful, and this is actually the 3rd time I make them because every time I make them they do sell. For some reason, I do love them. They're very beautiful. But this time, I did add the jump ring and the fish hook in gold. I think it was needed, but the other 2 times that I sold it, it was in silver. So yes, these are so beautiful, and I will just have to make me a pair one day just to keep, because they do look very beautiful and they match with yellow, gold, orange, pink, with just about any bright vivid color. I think it matches. Even if you wear like something black or white, it would look so beautiful. These are my pink and white. I think these are like daisies. They turn out super pretty. The only thing is the white isn't as white as I would have loved. Like around here it kind of looks maybe yellowish, but maybe that is just the design, so I'm not sure, but they do look very pretty. I did make these because I have this as my watch face background and my phone background, so I was like, ooh, I should make these into earrings. So I think I might keep them to myself. I'm not sure. I still will post them on my Instagram. If anyone is interested in buying them, then they can buy them, and then I'll just make myself ones in the future. Alright, so another one that I think is my favorite pair. These are just so elegant, so beautiful. It's like a marble, like sea blue, dark blue, royal blue, and then some touch of gold. So it's very pretty. It's like a marble-ish color. Super pretty. I really do love these, and I know someone will like them, so hopefully someone buys them from me. And these are a watercolor design. Very beautiful. They match with so many colored wardrobes. Like you can go and try blue, purple, gold, coral, pink, just about anything, it would look very, very pretty. These I do like a lot. I did like them a little more in the picture than in the earrings, but they still look very beautiful, and they're just like a cheetah print with some roses and then a teal or dark blue background with a touch of gold. So these are very, very beautiful. I do love them. These I think are my #1 favorite of the batch that I made with you guys in this video. They just turned out so beautiful, and the design was super simple, but it still just turned out super, super beautiful. I do love these. I was thinking of adding maybe like a gold pendant, but I left them as is because they are so beautiful. And now these are the Fantasy Butterfly earrings. I really do love the pop of colors in these earrings. It just makes it pop a lot and more fantasy-ish, so I do love these so much. And these are the Elegant Flowers with a touch of gold. I really do like these. They are not my favorite, but they still are very pretty and very elegant for just like fancy occasions. So these are really, really pretty. So which ones were your favorite? Comment down below. I did make 13 pairs with you guys, and there are a few that are my #1 favorites, but comment down below which one was your favorite. So I will be doing some product photography during the week. I'm not sure if I will post the pictures on this video. If I do, then you guys can see what they look like up close and better lighting, but if not, I'm sorry, but you can go check them out at my Instagram. I will leave the name down below, so thank you.